Analyst warned about delayed release of iPhone SE2 with 5G due to coronavirus. Due to supply problems and falling demand, the release of the new budget model may shift. Officially, Apple has not yet announced new phones. Due to the spread of the new coronavirus, the release of the proposed new iPhone SE2 model with 5G support, Apple has not officially announced plans to release such a model. It may be delayed for a month. About this with reference to an expert on supply chains, Apple Elliot Lan told Bank of America, writes Bloomberg. In addition, according to Lan's forecast, the proposed launch of a new budget iPhone model, the company has not yet announced it. The media has called a possible iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9 model will be postponed for several months due to supply problems as well as due to falling demand amid COVID-2019. Bank of America analyst Lahn, in turn, noted that the launch date for new iPhone models will depend on how fast suppliers resume production in April and May. Taiwanese company Foxconn, Han High Precision Industry Company, engaged in the production of iPhone, called a different date. She expects that her Chinese plants will return to work as usual by the end of March, the agency writes. Apple reports iPhone delivery restrictions due to coronavirus. In late January, media reported that the new coronavirus threatened Apple production, for which China is both the main production and key market. As Bloomberg and the Nikkei Asian Review wrote, this could be due to quarantine, which may cause plant employees to be unable to go to work. Nikkei Asian Review recalled that almost all iPhones are being created at two Taiwanese factory assemblers, Foxconn and Pegatron, which are about 500 kilometers from Wuhan, the hotbed of COVID-2019. Against the background of the spread of coronavirus in China in early February, Apple temporarily closed all stores, leaving only an online platform at that time. In addition, due to the outbreak of the disease, the pace of return to normal working hours after the Chinese New Year at Apple was lower than expected, which led to restrictions on the supply of iPhone, the company said. The outbreak of COVID-2019 occurred late last year in the Chinese province of Hubei. Soon, the virus spread to other regions of the country and abroad, but most of the victims and cases are still registered in China. According to SCMP online data, 3,070 people died from COVID-2019 complications in China. The number of infections in the country exceeded 80,000.